If you've been seeing ads for DropFit everywhere and wondering whether it's a breakthrough weight loss formula or just another online scam, stick around. Because in this review, I'm breaking down everything you need to know before you even think about buying it. And trust me, some of this might surprise you. So, DropFit is marketed as a natural weight loss supplement that claims to boost metabolism, increase energy, and support fat burning. The branding emphasizes that it's made in the USA, uses non GMO ingredients, and even comes with a 60-day money back guarantee. On the surface, that sounds promising, but once you dig a little deeper, the reality becomes a lot more questionable. First red flag, the marketing. DropFit's website relies heavily on exaggerated claims and emotional storytelling, but offers almost zero solid scientific evidence. They repeatedly mention an alleged founder, Dr. Barbara Miller. But here's the catch. There are no verifiable credentials, no professional background, and even the photo appears to be fabricated. It's a classic tactic used in many low-quality supplement promotions. Then there are the so-called Harvard and Stanford references. These are sprinkled throughout the pitch to create credibility, but there's absolutely no affiliation with any reputable institution. And to make it even clearer, the FDA disclaimer at the bottom states the product is not approved and is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any medical condition, meaning the claims don't hold up legally or scientifically. Next, let's talk transparency, or the lack of it. There's no clear manufacturer name, no verifiable production facility, and no legitimate corporate details. The only contact number traces back to Michigan, but even that doesn't lead to any real company or support structure. For any supplement brand, this is a major red flag. And finally, the website itself. It has all the signs of a mass-produced supplement sales page, generic design, copy-paste testimonials, and absolutely no independent third-party testing, safety verification, or real user reviews. When everything looks too curated, too vague, and too untraceable, it usually means the product isn't what it claims to be. So, is DropFit a scam or legit? Zero transparency and sketchy website. This product raises far more red flags than confidence. My honest recommendation: think twice before spending your money. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about which product you want me to investigate next. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.